to recover deleted photos from any Android device. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Snapchat. In Snapchat, you can go to the photos section of Snapchat and check for the picture in here, as it may be saved in here as well. If it does not work, what you can do is open Photos, which is Google Photos, and search for pictures here, because everything may be backed up in Google Photos. If that does not work, open Play Store. In Play Store, search Disk Digger. After you've installed Disk Digger, open the app. You will find this kind of screen. Here, click on Search for Lost Photos. After you've clicked on Search for Lost Photos, it will search. It may take some time. After that, it will show you all the photos. You can select the photos you want to recover and press on Recover at the bottom. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to recover deleted photos from any Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.